you are welcome. You are listening on Story Collision English News. The headlines are: Supreme Court calls for expediting trial process. CM Lodge centers panel on demographic change. NVG warns VVE jet over embargo claim. Now the news in details. Supreme Court calls for expediting trial process. Ethnic violence in Manipur brought on May 3, 2025 after a tribal solidarity march was organized in the hill districts. The violence claimed over 260 lives and left thousands of people displaced. On Wednesday, a bench of Chief Justice of India Surya Kant and Justice Joy Malia Bagsi noted that, according to a SIT report, charges had been filed in 207 cases against more than 400 accused. The bench was hearing a plea of CBI against the grant of bail by the Guwahati High Court to two accused, Arun Kundongbom and Namarapam Kiran Meitei, who allegedly gang raped the victims and paraded them naked. We are of the view that the ongoing trial needs to be expedited. We have asked the CBI and others to provide legal aid counsel who are well versed in Manipuri to counsel the victims. The status of the ongoing trial must be filed in the next hearing, it said. At the outset, the bench said that the matter was to be heard regarding the issue of providing legal aid to victims' families and that it would not interfere with other issues. Referring to a CBI report, the bench said that 20 charges had been filed and trial had commenced in 16 cases, while according to the SIT status report, charges had been filed in 207 cases against over 400 accused. The bench also noted that, according to a report filed by former IPS officer Dattatreya Patsalgikar, the law and order situation in the state was precarious on April 7 and 18 this year, with some incidents of violence, and the state police were stressed. The bench also said that the victims' faith in the system was of key importance and that confidence-building measures with them were needed. On September 8, 2025, the Guwahati High Court granted bail to the two accused on the grounds that they had been in custody for 2 years while charges were yet to be framed, and termed it to be unjustified prolonged incarceration. While the accusations here are grave and shocking, this court cannot overlook that indefinite detention without trial amounts to pre-trial punishment, which is impermissible in law, the Guwahati High Court had said in its order. The CBI sought the cancellation of bail due to grave allegations of sexual violence. During the proceedings on Wednesday, Advocate Nizam Pasha, appearing for some of the victims, said that the same court, which on May 9, 2025 noted the heinous nature of offense, granted bail on September 8 on the grounds of delay. As it is a matter of liberty, an egregious ground is required to cancel the bail. Our main concern is bringing home the truth, and for that, whatever rehabilitation measure is necessary, we will examine, the apex court bench said. CM Lodge centers panel on demographic change. Chief Minister Yumnang Khemchand Singh on Wednesday expressed appreciation to the Union government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for constituting a high-level committee to study demographic change in the country. Describing the move as a historic step, the CM said that the Prime Minister's announcement of a high-powered demography mission on August 15, 2025, followed by the Union Cabinet's approval on September 11, 2025, marked a long-awaited intervention for the people of Manipur and other border states. The CM also welcomed remarks made by Amit Shah, who had stated that demographic change is a serious issue connected not only to India's sovereignty but also to national security, law and order, changes in the social structure, and the protection of tribal societies. He assured that the government of Manipur will extend full cooperation to the committee, which has been tasked with carrying out a comprehensive assessment of demographic changes occurring across India due to illegal immigration and other abnormal factors. Kemsan said that the people of Manipur remain grateful to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister for their commitment to securing India's borders and addressing demographic imbalance. The committee will be headed by retired Justice Prakash Pravakar Nolekar. Along with the Census Commissioner, the committee will include retired IAS officer Durga Shankar Mishra, retired IPS official Balaji Srivastava, and economics Samika Ravi as members. The Joint Secretary, Ministry of Home Affairs, will serve as the member secretary of the committee. The committee has been asked to submit its report within 1 year. NVG wants BVE jet over embargo claim. The Naga Village Guard Eastern Command NVG EC has warned the village volunteer Eastern Zone Kukijo Gam VVE jet following a statement on May 27 that accused Tangkhul civil society organizations and allied armed militants of imposing economic embargo on the Kuki population in Kam Zone. The NVG called the allegations baseless, ironical, and a concealment of truth, and cautioned that any fallout beyond the VVE jet's 24-hour deadline will invite serious ramifications. In a statement issued by its media cell on Wednesday, the NVG cautioned the VVE jet's timing and motives. Would it not be wise on the part of the VVE jet to take a moment and ponder our cautions before resorting to random mudslinging? What has triggered the prevailing Kuki-Naga conflict in Manipur? Who has been fueling factors to escalate the tension? What economic embargo are the VVE jet talking about when free movement along the arterial National Highway 202 connecting the Tangkhul population has been disrupted for over 3 months now? The NVG accused armed Kuki cadres, allegedly backed by groups under the Sulpak narco-terrorists and illegal immigrants, of launching repeated hostilities against Tangkhul Naga villages in Urkhal and Kam Zone. Thank you for being with us. This is MM Story Collection English News.